Good morning, guys. Welcome to OFFROAD4LIFE. A quick update. We're down at Isipingo beach this morning at a place called Mackenzie. As you can see, it's actually a beautiful day. So we will look out for sardines again between Durban beaches and Mkababa, possibly down to Scottsboro. There were very little signs of sardine shoals yesterday, but suddenly the shad's come on the bite. So this morning there is a number of fishermen, as you can see, down at the beach. So there is some shad. Guys are catching some shad. So guys, please be careful, take care, wear your mask, come down to the beach, be responsible. I will bring you more updates a little later on. Right now it's difficult to see the sardines, so as it brightens up I will bring you more updates. So I'll try and get down to Durban this morning, Amenzim Toti, Mkababa, Wana Beach, and also Scottsboro. So I'll bring you more updates a little bit later on. So please guys, subscribe, like and share. There's also other platforms that are bringing this to you, so please support them. Take care, guys. Chat to you a bit later on. Have a look at this beautiful sunrise. So guys, if you need a bit of shad, Isipingo Beach, Mackenzie, bag limit 4 per person per day. Thank you. Cheers. Thank you for watching. Chat a bit later on. Thank you.